Hello everyone, good afternoon. It's Disa again from Australia with Love. So today, let's delve into the topic of andropause, which is called male menopause. Most men who experience age-related testosterone health problem will see signs and symptoms of male menopause during their late 40s to early 50s, but they can start anytime from the age of 30 onwards. There is no really fixed male menopause or measurable point in time. However, 1 in 200 men will experience this drop and symptoms of andropause. While it can occur, andropause is not considered as part of the routine aging process. So, if you've been taking a supplement for your chronic pain and still feel discomfort, it could relate to arthritis or possibly andropause. Well, there, I invite you to explore this product, male and female andropause perimenopause, and witness its remarkable result. This is available in my website, as well as 12 and 1 general well-being for your arthritis. This is all available in my website, or you can message me direct. So thank you for watching. It's me again, Lisa from Australia with Love. Bye. God bless.